I transformed myself from this to this in 24 hours. Let's begin. Hi fairies! Guess what? If you couldn't tell, I'm not at my apartment right now. I'm actually in Arizona, about to completely change my hair color right now. Literally in 15 minutes, I'm gonna head over to the salon because the goal of this video is to change my appearance as much as I can in 24 hours. We gotta go because I'm literally late to my appointment. 3, 2, 1, let's go. I'm heading to the salon right now. I'm getting my hair done by my favorite hairstylist who lives out here. And guys, honestly, I'm super anxious because I don't know what I'm doing with my hair for once. I really want to do full blonde or full pink, but I don't know what's gonna make my hair fall out. So I'm gonna have my hairstylist look at my hair and tell me what I should do. Let's go in. I'm now at the salon. Here's Lynn. Do you want to tell them what the situation is with my hair?
So the situation is she was red and now we have to make her blonde. We're going to go through a couple rounds of moving the color, bleaching, and we will see what we can get. The goal is blonde and pink.
Hopefully my hair doesn't fall out.
It's not going to fall out.
We just got started on my hair. We're putting the color remover in right now and my eyes are burning. Look at this. My mascara and eyeliner is already smeared and it's only been like 20 minutes. Now I'm under this weird thing that rotates, feeling very bougie with my crusty nails. Here's an update. They did a color remover like I showed you guys. My stylist still doesn't know if we're gonna get a nice shade of blonde, so you guys will see. They just toned my hair. They're gonna blow dry it and then we're gonna add in extensions. I'm getting permanent extensions. I thought it was finally time to do permanent ones. Hair is now dried and this is what it looks like. It's lighter in person. It looks kind of dark on camera. This is basically the color. It's like an ashy blonde color. The next thing we're gonna do is add in extensions and then we're gonna do pink extensions. That's basically all that I have with my hair and then my hair transformation will be complete.
I'm gonna have Rapunzel hair now.
Beautiful. Okay, who's ready to see my new hair? I love everything about it. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Saying I'm obsessed is an understatement. Just look how beautiful my hair is. Oh my god, I love it. I love everything about it. I love having pink in my hair. It always gives me so much serotonin. I got permanent extensions, so I'm gonna be waking up like this every day. And this is only the beginning of my changing my appearance. Make sure to keep on watching. Comment down below what you think of my new hair. I'm gonna be reading all the comments too. I really want to know what you guys think of this. All right, up next is my lashes. They are currently non-existent. We're gonna go get some eyelash extensions and make myself look like an Instagram filter. I'm here with my lash tech now. She's the one who does my beautiful lashes. As you can see right now, they look very bald.
We're gonna fix that.
Yes, she is my fairy godmother for lashes, basically. Alright, who's ready to see my beautiful new lashes? Here's what my lashes look like now. So cute. Oh my god, I literally feel like a doll now. Before you guys come for me in the comments, I know they are very thick. If I got natural looking ones, they would have lasted like 2 weeks. The girls that get it, and the girls that don't. The next thing I want to do is my nails because look at these. They are disgusting. They have been like this for like 2 months, I'm pretty sure. I have 2 designs in mind, but I can't decide which one I want, so I'm gonna have you guys help me. So I'm gonna go on Instagram, create a poll, and whatever wins is what I'm gonna get. I'm making my poster now. Come here. So I'm deciding between this one and this. Right now I'm making the poll. The poll is complete. Whichever one gets the most votes is the one that I'm gonna do. From the 2 nail options I gave you guys, this one is the one that got the most votes, so I'm gonna do that one. Wish me luck. My first time at the salon, it was so pretty. I love the vibes. Here she is just removing my crusty dusty nails. Then she's putting on the Gel X acrylics, and I actually decided to change the design a bit just so it could fit my hair more. So we went with like a little baby pink color and white to go with like the snow fairy vibes that I want to give off. And I was just so shocked by how good my nails came out. Like, these are the best nails that I've ever had. Here's what my nails ended up looking like. They are so cute. Oh my god, are you kidding me?
Okay, I like it, Picasso.
The little clouds, the shade of pink, everything about it is just so pretty. When she did these, I was like, oh my god, these are the best nails I've ever had. Next thing that I want to do is go get a facial. This is also why I have no makeup on right now. Please excuse my face. But the place I'm going to get my facial done is so cute. It's literally nothing but pink and these crystals on your face. So I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. I'm back from getting my facial and my skin is feeling and looking really nice. I don't know if it was worth $75. If you don't got money like that, then it's kind of a waste. But if you want to go for the experience and like the relaxing vibe, then I would highly suggest it, because when I was there, I was having a wonderful time. Now the next thing we're gonna do is go shopping for an outfit. I'm about to enter Goodwill. This is my first time going to this Goodwill. It looks huge, so I'm excited to shop there. What I'm trying to get is just like a bunch of pink things to match my hair. This is my first time recording in public in the longest time ever, and it's giving me so much anxiety. I found something really cool. It's so cute. Look at it. Look at the little flowers. Guess what I found? A cute white tennis skirt. Yeah! Sorry to whoever wanted it, but I'm taking it. I found doll school here at Goodwill. Sugar Thrills. I'm not gonna get it only because whenever I buy baby tees, I like never wear them. So I'm done shopping. We're gonna check out and then I'm gonna give you guys a little haul once I'm home. Okay, who's ready for the haul? Here is everything that I got. I got the cute little pajama set. I'm so glad that I did, because looking at this on camera, it looks so adorable. Oh my god. And then we got this white tennis skirt. I have a bunch of white skirts, but will I continue buying them? Yes, it is all that I wear. And then I got this really cute blouse thing. The vision is wear like a white skirt and some like knee-high boots. And then another thing, this crew neck, and it is so cute. I love the little logo. It reminds me of Harry Potter. And then we got this really cute pink purse. I love how it looks. It's so cute. Here we have this cute little winter top. I love it. They're so cute. Oh my god, they look kind of ugly on camera, I'm not gonna lie. But they look cute on me, I promise. And then the last thing that I got, this top. I showed you guys it and I was a little bit unsure about it, but I thought, why not give it a try? It was $5. Now that I showed you guys the clothing haul, the last thing that I need to do to complete my transformation is get ready. Then I will show you guys how it came out, and that will be the final review. Are you guys ready to see the complete transformation? 1, 2, 3. What do you guys think? If you're obsessed with it, comment a pink heart so I know I am 100% in love with how my transformation came. I feel so good about myself. This has to be probably one of my favorite hair colors I've ever had. And then here is my full outfit. We have this cute little mini dress.
Ooh, this is nice!
This pink corset to go with my hair. And I got these really cute pink snow boots on. And of course, you can't forget the cloud nails. This is gonna look so cute in the snow. Let's take some pictures. That is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!